In this video, I'm going to talk about how can you delete your WhatsApp group. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your WhatsApp application. And after opening the application, just simply go to the group profile which you would like to delete. Then after going into here, you will get to see this option of exit group. First of all, you will just simply have to exit this group. Then after tapping into exit group, tap to exit again. Then you will get this option of delete group. Now, if you are admin of the group, then you can get this section. Otherwise, you can get no messages like this. But if you are a group admin and you have exited the group and there's no other members, you will get this section where you can delete the group. Tap to delete group, then tap to delete group in order to confirm. Then you can check this option which says also delete all media received in this chat from the device gallery, which you can customize according to your need. Then tap to delete group. Now, this way you can very easily delete any of your group in WhatsApp. Thank you for watching.